We will access this feature by pressing F3 and selecting Discover FM Stations. This tool will scan the entire FM band, identify all the FM stations there, and create a channel plan including them. The main difference with the Channel Exploration tool is that the Discover FM Stations feature does not need to run the search over any previous channel plan. You can skip the scan of a specific channel by pressing F2 Skip, and cancel the exploration process pressing F1 Cancel. On the right, we can see the list of detected stations. The minimum FM level line is the minimum signal level required to identify the FM signal. Once the scanning process is completed, we can mark or unmark any of the identified channels. This will specify which exact channels will be included in the new channel plan we will be creating by pressing F1 Save.